Well,
It's like, whatever rocks his boat, I guess, but I don't think he wants to. I feel like that's a fight he doesn't need to pick.
mm-mm.
He'll have plenty of them that come his way, whether he wants them to or not.
Well, I want to see what happened with that ending of the saga. Did, Jamie seal the deal? Or did he let the tea fall?
I feel like that's gonna be a slow burn. Probably.
God damn. Oh my god. Who has time for this? You know, we could die tomorrow. What the fuck? There's no time!
Just die tomorrow. Just fuck today, I guess.
Oh, good. Yes. Good motto. Strong. Alright, guys. Well, thank you for the tea time.
That's sort of what happened with me, actually. Oh, it was fun.
Right, now where do you think they went?
Good question.
Possibly, let me think. If they're not on the island, they could be like at the top of the waterfall. That's like a nice little like place people go when they want to have a talk. That's
The birds are here!
Okay.
Chipz,
What?
go back in your dome. We have a
Defend
situation.
yourself!
What do you mean?
We have a situation.
What are you talking about?
Are you attacking? Are you
Seagulls.
attacking Oh, seagulls. Okay, carry on. I was gonna say if it's the crows.
Oh, the rat of the sea! They're coming! They're coming! Hit the deck!
Chipz are holding the thing that they want.
Mine!
All right, well,
You fool!
on that note, have fun.
They've already spotted you.
No! No! Ah! 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 No! Ah! No! Oh!
Chipz,
Protect him.
don't worry.
Save the burritos. Save the burritos.
Where are the burritos?
Go without me.
Go! Man down!
Take them.
No,
Run.
that's what they're actually called. Okay.
Oh God.
Chipz, do you need medical assistance?
I need medical. Take me. Let's go.
Get up. They're circling us.
Save yourself!